Hello, dear students. Welcome back to our news channel. Today we have glitches in portal hit issuance of birth and death certificates. Now, students, first of all, we need to understand what is birth and death certificate. Students, a birth certificate is the first official document that proves you were born. So it has all the details like your name, date of birth, and your parents' names. So, when you have a birth certificate, you can get important things like a school admission, a passport, or even a bank account when you grow up. So, it basically helps you claim your right as a citizen of India. Similarly, we have death certificate. Now, what is it? Students, death certificate is an official document and it proves that someone has passed away. So death certificate is basically it is needed for legal matters like transferring property or settling someone's affairs after they have died. So it is important for families to help handle things like getting insurance money or pensions. So, all these legal processes required birth and death certificates. Now, here you can see the term civil registration system. Civil registration system. अब ये क्या चीज है? Students, India has a system in place to keep track of these important events through something called the civil registration system. है ना, एक तरीके का सिस्टम है जिसमें सारे कुछ ये डॉक्यूमेंट स्टोर होते हैं. So this system basically helps record every birth and death in the country. And why is it important? Because government uses this data for many things, like how many schools or hospitals are needed. And by knowing how many people are born or how many people have passed away, the government can understand health trends, work on making things safer for everyone. All right. And the CRS system makes sure that every person is counted and that important life events are recorded so that no one is left out. That is why it's important to keep track of all the records. So, in simple words, birth and death certificates are like the first and last pieces of our life's puzzle. And the civil registration system helps keep all the pieces together so the country can plan better and make sure everyone gets what they need. Now, recently, there's a act which has been brought by the government. This act is called Registration of Births and Death Amendment Act. So before when what happened before this act was passed, when someone was born or passed away, the information was often recorded in local offices. Now with this new amendment, all reported births and deaths have to be recorded online at a website called crsorg .government.in. Right here you can see, let me just scroll it. Yes, this is the website. Okay, so after this amendment, after this new rule, amendment, by amendment we mean by new rule. Okay, so all the reported births and deaths in India from October 1, 2023 should be registered through this website only. And why is this important? Because instead of having records scattered in different offices, all the information will be stored in one big online system. So this makes it easier to keep track of everyone. And recording these events online means that it can be done more quickly and with fewer mistakes. तो जैसे कि सारे जो letters है वो एक जगह stored है. So it's like moving from writing letters to sending instant messages, right? And online system is designed to keep your information safe and secure. क्योंकि अगर मैनुअली स्टोर्ड हो तो क्या पता कि लोकल ऑफिस में किसी भी रीजन की वजह से डिलीट हो सकता है डेटा. बट online system is designed to keep your information safe and secure. So how does it work? Whenever a baby is born or someone passes away, the information is reported to the government, and this data is then entered into the civil registration system. And the website basically, it acts like a big digital locker where all the information is stored safely. नाउ व्हाई शुड यू केयर, है ना? आपको क्या जरूरत है ये सारी इंफॉर्मेशन जानने के लिए? Students, as you grow up, you'll need your birth certificate for things like getting a driver's license, applying for jobs, or even getting married. Having it stored safely online ensures it's always there when you need it. And it also helps, at the same time, it also helps the government knows how many people are born and how many are passed away. They can plan better for things like infrastructure development. All right. Now, let's move on to the next article. Yes, we have run the news for people with hearing speech disabilities, said by Supreme Court. Now, students, in our society, it is very important to have inclusivity. Now, inclusivity का मतलब क्या है कि कोई भी चीज गवर्नमेंट सर्विस जो होती है वो एक्सक्लूडिंग नहीं होनी चाहिए, स्पेशली फॉर द पीपल हु आर डिफरेंटली एबल्ड. ऑलराइट, सो गवर्नमेंट ने क्या कहा है कि न्यूज फॉर पीपल विद हेयरिंग स्पीच डिसेबिलिटीज उनके लिए भी रन किया जाएगा. Now, we all are aware that news is an essential part of our daily life because it keeps us informed about what is happening in the world. So, in news broadcast, inclusivity is quite important because everyone has the right to know what's happening around them, including those with disabilities. So, special news bulletins like those with sign language interpreters or subtitles ensure that people with hearing and speech impairments can access the same information as everyone else. All right. So, government, Supreme Court of India recognized that people with hearing and speech disabilities often miss out on important news. To address this issue, the court has asked for special news bulletins to be created, which would use sign language or other methods to make the news accessible to them. All right, students, that's it for today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share, and press the bell icon for all the latest update. Bye bye. Have a happy learning.